Hello viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, view and test. Today I have the SafeTag Volt 4G GPS tracker. Connect direct to car battery, 195 plus countries connected, 30-second location updates, 365 days location history, track on iOS, Android, track on the web. Let's check some of the key features. Set and forget your 4G tracker, you never have to charge it. Cost-effective tracking plus 7-day free trial, 5 kinds of rapid mobile alerts, rapid 30-second location updates, no contracts, no hidden costs, cancel anytime, SIM plus data included with subscription. You can select one of these options, 1, 2, 3 or 5 pack. Real-time tracking, the Volt 4G is a small form factor GPS tracker that is designed to be installed on your engine. Instant setup is a plug-and-play device that only requires a quick account registration and simple activation form to get started. We can see some other products here. Geofence zones use our powerful geofences functionality to get instant push notifications on mobile and desktop when your tracker exits or enters your custom set geofence. Unlimited range. Our trackers are connected to your app via our global cloud system and network coverage, so you can track whatever you need, wherever your tracker is, whenever you want. Pay for the coverage you need. Just choose a coverage plan when you activate your tracker based on where you'll be tracking. Let's move on, open the box and find out more about this product, how we can connect to my car and see how it works. Cable ties too, instructions. There it is. Now the cable length total, it is 1.2 meters. I think it is enough. 3M tape, you can install it anywhere at your car. It is small, definitely it will fit. No one needs to know that you have a GPS tracker. With a press of a button, you can unplug the tracker if ever you want to unplug it. Press and connect it. We have a fuse. Add the positive cable always. 2 amp fuse. You can connect it to any vehicle if that is a car or truck from 9 volt to 48 volts. That is very convenient. Positive the red. Connect at the positive pole on your battery, and the black, it is the negative, connect at the negative pole at your battery. So let's move on, connect that on my battery and then start the setup from the app. SafeTag, add tracker, make an account, tracker email is correct, you can add the tracker name, next step, select the coverage plan, Europe basic, map, the countries, extended, map, global basic, the map, global extended, map again, Europe Basic. You can choose monthly, quarterly, yearly, monthly. Next step. And of course you need to add your card information to activate. Start trial. Okay, we have a message. Please wait 15 to 20 minutes for your tracker to come online. And I have just received an email, success, your tracker activation is complete. And in case you were wondering where the SIM card or any LED indicators are, you can just pull this cover and here we have 3 LED indicators. The red LED indicator, it is for the battery. The blue LED indicator is flashing, it is for the GPS. I am indoors, so maybe the signal it is not so strong. And the yellow, it is for the cellular signal. And of course we have the SIM card. And one small switch, on-off switch. On right now and off. If I will unplug from the power, you can see it is off. And of course I can turn it on because it has a backup battery and can work for a few hours. And if I'm going to plug in again, start charging, we can see the red LED light. Unplug, stop charging. And of course you can remove the SIM card for any reason. If you want to replace the SIM card, maybe it has problem, just pull this metal, remove the SIM card. And there is the SIM card tray. And install again, it is very easy to install. Lock, just press at the front and it will lock. And we have one micro USB port, it's not for charging. Let's test it. Unplug, here red LED it is off. From a power bank I have connected and it's not charging. Maybe it is for upgrade, data transfer, something. So now you know how you can open this device and see how you can turn it off, replace the SIM and the LED indicators. Now I'm driving, the GPS was installed at my car. I get location updates every 30 seconds, or I can just press the button and update the location. It depends if you are in a hurry and want to find the missing car, so just press the button to get a location update. Otherwise you have to wait 30 seconds. There it is, location update. Pressing here, select the tracker to follow, and we have some information about the tracker, kilometer per hour, the time, battery percentage very high, and the cellular signal 100%. Press add the information, and we can see here the icons. With this icon here you can share, turn on the Google Maps, or you can start navigate at the location where is the tracker. It will open the Google Maps again and you can start navigate.
Head east.
Press the GPS, open the area, you can zoom and zoom with your fingers. Go at the history. So at the history you can choose the tracker, the day of the week. Let's go back one day. We have the total driving time, 2 hours and 35 minutes the tracker was on the move. 181 kilometers, 8 hours and 3 minutes the tracker was stopped. And we can see some informations, the time, kilometers again, the speed I was driving, the tracker was in my car. So many informations. You can just tap one of these information and there you will have the location at this moment, the hour and the kilometer per hour. Where was the tracker when I was driving? All journeys again. I like that. Precise information. That is the most important. And the tracker. Here you can see the battery again, very high, kilometer per hour, cellular signal 100%. We can go at the settings, or you can add other tracker settings. You can rename the tracker, set geofence, let's say 0.5 kilometer, 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3, whatever you want, 0.5. Save and go back. And of course you can edit the geofence or remove. Speed limit, you can set the speed limit. Choose an icon for your tracker. Markers, the color. Alerts for account, tamper, movement, speed. And you can save and go back. There it is. Again, you can set up the geofence here. Press at this icon and go back at the home main screen. Or here at the history. Tracker again. So easy, I like that. You can adjust all the settings to your needs. Alerts. And here for this tracker we have all the alerts. Tamper alarm. It may be being picked up or removed from its location. Okay, Andrew has stopped moving and we can see your SafeTag tracker has exceeded the speed limit you set on 60 km per hour speed. Right now it is 70 km per hour. And you will get a real notification at your smartphone. Andrew has started moving. All these alerts. And more. Account settings, some information for your account, tracker settings, you can rename again, map preference, you can disable the satellite mode or enable, it is your choice, and it will look just like that, a regular map. I like satellite mode. You can show geofences, save, you can choose app language, distance, speed unit, manuals, tracking tutorial, history, privacy, terms of service, contact us, shop. And on the shopping here they have some other products, maybe are more suitable for you, for your vehicle, truck, whatever you want. Go online and check all these products. You want to protect your vehicles cost effectively without breaking the bank. There is the right GPS tracker for your vehicle. Runs very smoothly from the app. I haven't had any problems with the GPS or cellular signal. Has plenty of settings to adjust to your needs. And of course you can buy more than one and even install it on your motorcycle, electric bike or scooter with the right modification. To find out more about this product and where you can buy it, please see the description below. There is a link, just click on it. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.